Okay, come here. How are you? Say.
Good.
Okay, stop. Yes. Where is she from?
She's from Brazil.
Okay. What language is spoken in Vietnam?
Vietnamese is spoken in Vietnam.
What language do you speak?
I'm speaking.
What?
I speak.
I don't know. Which one?
I speak English.
Okay. Where are meat pies eaten?
Meat pies eaten
Meat pies? What?
are eaten in Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Is it true?
It's not true.
Okay. I don't know.
Okay. Where are black beans eaten?
Black beans eaten. Black beans are eaten in I don't think Vietnam.
Wrong.
Brazil. No.
I don't know.
Brazil.
Are you sure?
No. Yes.
Which one? Vietnam?
Brazil.
Okay. Read.
It's not true. Is it true?
Read.
The two older brothers look at Ben's new couch, his new books, and the silver cup on the table. One of them picked it up. He got very angry. We have a wish to give us our dinner. We want it this minute. We want it this minute.
Right. What?
Minute.
Mine.
No minute.
Are you sure?
1 minute.
Okay, read.
Minute. We want it this minute, he said. The empty bowls were suddenly full of vegetable soup. The brother couldn't believe it. Cup, the oldest brother, shouted, Give me a room full of money. Give me more money than my brother and a room full of sweets. The other brother said. Suddenly, there were sweets and money everywhere. The brothers began to fight. Give me that cup. One shouted. No, the other one said. It's mine. It's not yours. Give it to me.
Okay. How do you read this?
Minute.
Which one?
Minute.
Minutes.
Yeah. Minutes?
Yes.
I said minutes.
Okay. Anyway, continue. Yes.
The cup fell on the ground and broke, and all the sweets, money, the vegetable soup, Ben's warm coat, and this 100 new books disappeared. They were not here in the house. I felt
What? This?
nowhere in the house. I felt very sad when my uncle told me that part of the story, but then the end. But the cup couldn't make all the stories about the world disappear from Ben's head.
Not from Ben's?
Head. And when Ben was a man, he visited all the countries in the world and wrote lots of stories about the animals and people who lived there to tell to children. I never knew my uncle's first name. I just called him uncle. Perhaps, just perhaps, it was Ben.
Okay, thank you.